In this tutorial, I'll show you how to randomize faces in geometry nodes. If we were to create a similar mesh, we would create a plane, subdivide it, and randomize it like this. The issue with this mesh is the way it was finalized after randomizing it, meaning we can't adjust the settings any further once they're set. The advantage of geometry nodes-based randomized face mesh is how it's completely non-destructive. Meaning unlike this manually randomized face mesh, we can always change the settings any way we like. Here is an example. Here are the nodes. Let's see what each node does. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.